Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to access the Shared With Me folder in Google Drive Desktop quickly and easily. If you are someone who collaborates often, you probably receive many documents, spreadsheets, and various files through Google Drive. Knowing how to efficiently reach these shared items from your desktop is a major advantage for your productivity and organization. Let's begin by going to your Google Drive homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you arrive, you might need to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so yet. The Google Drive homepage is where all your files and folders are neatly arranged. You will see several options on the left side of the screen, and for our task today, this is where you need to focus. Once you are on the homepage, look at the left-hand menu panel. You will find a section titled Shared With Me. This specific area is designed to hold all the files and folders that other people have shared with you. Simply click on Shared With Me to view these collaborative files. This action opens a page showing everything shared with you, organized by the sender and the date. This folder is very helpful because it keeps your main Google Drive organized by separating your own files from those shared by others. This section includes not only documents, but also spreadsheets, photos, and videos. A practical tip is to check this folder regularly, especially if you are working on multiple projects with different teams. This ensures you never miss any important updates or new collaborations. If you have a large number of files here, use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific items. You can type in keywords, file types, or the name of the owner to filter your results. This feature is very useful when you are short on time and need to find something immediately. Remember that everything in the Shared With Me folder does not count against your Google Drive storage limit unless you make a copy or download it. This makes it an excellent way to manage your cloud space while still having access to all necessary resources. That is all there is to it. Just go to your Google Drive homepage and click Shared With Me to access your files effortlessly. I hope this guide helps you streamline your workflow. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to check back for more quick and easy tutorials.